Hey everyone, it's Kia Saskatoon here with one of our trade-ins. This is a 2018 Kia Forte LX in a gorgeous white color, and let me tell you, this thing is mint inside and out. Also keep in mind folks, we are taking anything as a trade-in as well, so that's some good news. If you got an RV, a camper, a boat, or like that customer traded in a camper right there, as you can see, we take anything in as a trade-in. Let's take a look at this vehicle. One thing that you're going to see down here is that the buttons or the levers for the gas cap and for the trunk are down there, which is actually quite handy, you know, that we don't got any extra buttons cluttering around here. You also too have the Sirius XM Bluetooth as well. This also has some nice plugins here for you too, like the auxiliary USB and even a 12 volt there to keep you charged. But anyways, let's take a look over here. Now this is an 18 and it only has 40,000 kilometers. So come on down to Kia Saskatoon. We are taking anything in on a trade-in. We want to see it in this Kia, and make sure to follow us on all of our social media pages or outlets like Facebook, Instagram, and of course hit that subscribe button on our YouTube page. Thanks for watching. See you here soon.